In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your LG dryer to Wi-Fi with an easy setup tutorial. Once connected, you can control your dryer remotely using the LG ThinQ app. First, make sure your LG dryer is plugged in and turned on. On the dryer's control panel, press and hold the Wi-Fi button for about 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon starts blinking. This means the dryer is ready to connect. Next, download and open the LG ThinQ app on your smartphone. Sign in or create a free account if you don't have one yet. In the app, tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select Dryer from the list, then choose your specific LG dryer model. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your dryer to your home Wi-Fi network. Remember, your dryer only supports 2.4 GHz networks, not 5 GHz. Once the connection is successful, the Wi-Fi icon on your dryer will stay solid, and you can start controlling it from your phone. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more smart home setup guides.